Morning everyone, I'm Harpreet and in this video session I'm going to discuss with you a topic that is short composition, notice writing. This is a question of 4 marks in your paper. So firstly I'm going to tell you what is notice. So notice is a publicly displayed written or printed information of something about to happen or that has happened. It's targeted to a specific group of people, and it may be for an event, for inauguration, for function, and for journal address. And there next is what are the key points that you have to keep in your mind while writing the notice. The first one is the ideal length of the notice is must not exceed 50 words, and second, present notice in proper format, and the third one is try to write notice in direct speech or passive voice only. I have already made video on passive voice and shortly I'm going to make video on indirect speech too. And don't use personal pronouns like I, can, I and we, and it must be put in box, and your notice carry all necessary information. So here is the format of notice writing. Firstly you will write name of the institution in capital letter and comma city, and after that date, and then word notice and name of the topic, and then you'll write body in 15 words, and at last you will write the name of the person and the designation of the person, and then sign here, and you keep all this information in a box. Don't forget to draw the box with pencil. So in body, what will you write here? You have to answer here 5 questions: what, who, where, when, what to do, and whom. So what is notice about? Secondly, you have to answer who it's addressed to, and the third, where is the event, and next, when is the event, means date, time, etc. And then when what's going to happen, and the instructions, all the instructions you will write here, and whom to contact or get in touch with. So you have to answer all these questions, means you have to tell the place, the venue, time, date, and everything here in your notice writing, and it should be on the display board. So I'll solve a notice for you. Here is example. You are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day is to be held next month. Write a notice. Here is solved example. Firstly, you will put all this information in box, and then on the top, in the middle, name of the institution. The name of the institution or school was not given here, so I write here ABC school, comma, then name of the city, and then next, without leaving the space of one line, you will write here date, and then word notice in capital letter, and then what is the topic. Annual day celebration was a topic in our example, so you will write this in capital letter. Next, you will start your notice by writing this is inform all the students that the school annual day function. Then you mention here date, as I told you, when, where, at school, interested students, and all the information that interested students can participate, and give your name to the undersigned, then name of the person, and designation that he was the secretary of activity club. So this is all about our notice writing. Thank you. Have a nice day.